Mbuya mano sana mwancho mulia weta seni kia Ndizi TV litukonelia Jumatatu chitariki 14 mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka iga wechiri Ibere 2023 mwancho mulia ngo kwaligani bene linto sanga sobwamo semesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye nara yabereka gokolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chense asinse mo chiche mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na baiga sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net chinga kitoroche etimo ya Shabana nigo ya nyoriro gosirwa korwa sense media bangbet asbaba koegwa chimilioni emerongo ebere ngake chitoro chinga umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati na beteka wikirana sense mecho ase aboliria baraikurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii gotigana ne moko na bigo kubwatirana asoko eneke binango sira bale ebyegwa a sorgongo rwa Gusii na bigo mwancho mulielia amamiranie ya matera nigagendete kokolekana asense mo ya Nyeri Shine ase chiskuru Ibere chabe chikonyorera obubui gati ya beskuru yoborso ya Kibirigo na bigo skuru yoborso ya Mubamba mwancho mulielia nigo okoligerere gosoko mulikera obokoleri wechi serikali che county agendete kokolekana ase county ya Uasin Gishu somochi Eldoret somora ibense Dr. William Ruto rachigwikirana na boigo koligereria naki obokoleri bwabeire ase chi county mwancho mulielia ayongati yali nkwaliganete asomo basolero tuskatonyegera kwirana ndasege kekerebosio elinde ngomanye amange mwancho muligerelia elietariane Fridah Kerubo na Chinsa mwachebiorokerelia ni gotokubwatenere Joshua Auta gokwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindeto chake bene mwancho muliengo chaka kegima ni gongo kumenya bina nige timu ya Shabana yaberege konyora ogosirwa korwa sense meri ya bangbet asbaba koegwa chimilioni emerongo ebere okwana omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ni gabaga okwegena kwae ase timu ya Shabana ase aligania abaraikurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii na boigo kweneke binango sira bale timu eyo boigo nigo aligania chi timu chinde chibe chikogoseria ne timu ya Shabana ase kulenda berega kwerera okwegena ase timu eyo
Basically ndo twachagaiga ku witness the handing over ama signing of the documents of the 20 million of sponsorship that is Shabana ya Nyora Korwes Bangbet. This is one of the companies we approached. Baachire kokonye team yetu. Na intubnabara itu atebire lazima team yetu ebe moyo. Ese miaka 15 ebere team yetu yaraire. Batemire lakini baikire na we are supporting them now. Ntolneke maana nga Shabana ne team yetu timu ene to go support Gor Mahia go FC go Ndeyons tigaba chitorora negeti bago tobwa na boto wanja lakini bago tobwa nje na bongegenet kibara to bwana boto wanja lakini ege kombe kero rasma tolete inka enda dote baiga onde bwens nali kire ase e club kia Savana ebe no mheshimiwa Nyamweya ebe no onde bwens lakini chinga kichi ikire ase toratgenda mwam onde bwensi oromurai kangano alengega abana baba chesaji enero management bono nara liyo twara Shabana kwenye twaroro sana hivi incho twara Shabana ima
Chinga kiechio boigo nigo mugavana Simba aganirie abaraikura sorgongo rwa Gusii gotiga libero na boigo kwaligania amagenderero nigo abolia gotaligania ebitina ekiagera nigo barabe bakwirana magega asabolia abagusii gocha amo na boigo gosirana asengencho yogoska bosio nigo abolia baraikura sorgongo rwa Gusii kwaligania gosira bali babwate ebyegwa na boigo kweneke bunango ikini abali
enda mwaetege ntongero ekemotokura kana ga kionye tuasome tuarule primary twachire secondary, abandi bachire colleges, tertiary institutions. Mpaka twikire Kerubo tubwate ekyombe ky'omupira ky'abaana baitu ba Gusii. Emepira umuchesa chokonyoro oyomo obwete none president umushahara ka lakini tunyale wanjirana ebitina nenda mwenzi ni netorani maya especially bali mumenyete Nairobi mumoro cy'abantu ngakira umuntu abwata amahari ayangani chinyomba ondo bwate ndamwa nje ninde tayari ondo bwate ndamwa achi cyari gireri kiasis ke gwateka nko mu mushahara ne myake taneme and the serious abantu aminto nto kunyara koligere maega chinga kichinkoro cyetire chinga kichi abasaya bake muri ororo tigato tunyare kora ekyombe geto kyo mu Gusii lero nindu toron stage lazima tuchiese mpaka tonyole gutwa abantu aminto da tentikirega mbasabe mwezi tobwaterana korunyamira mpaka Kisimati etimu yetu ya Shabana kitimu nechi nyinge chiri ntogende tobona ika Talanta search Talanta it's called Talanta Hela, which the president unveiled at State House. We are on the progress. Wiki hii mtaenda Migori, si ndio? Kwenda kuanza huko. Ondo bwate chibesa leta trosi team tutiga nebi ntebini. Intuchinga kicheito enda mwamweli yarenteke mu Gusii mai ntoko nyanjerana onde nanja na tanja.
Amamirani ya matera nigo agendete gukorekana sensemo ya Nyeri Shine se chiskuru akura sorgongo rwa Gusii cyaba kigoikirana se Chinsa ngomanywa buna eskuru yoboroso ya kebirigo nigo yaberige ko irali bagalitangani yaberige kubwatwa ne eskuru yoboroso ya Mubamba yabage ko enyorera libaga ya kabiri osanga no morki akura se eskuru yoboroso ya kebirigo nigabereka ko gokera egetambukiro ky'omubunge o West Mugrango Steve Mogaka se ogosira borokya kurwa se skuru yo naboigo kwene kebunango skabali gochia se kirengo kende sensemo ya matera.
In addition, we had our able member of parliament, Honorable Steve Mogaka, coming in time of need, and it has been proved. Whatever you see that they are wearing here, it is through him, through his effort, and he did it immediately we had asked. So he's a man who follows what he has done to the lather and what he speaks to the lather. This is the first time in history that we have seen a member of parliament like you associating and having an attachment with the learners of a particular school from his constituency. This one is so good. Kudos our able member of parliament.
Kumulekera obokoleri se county nigo bwachakirwe bene anemono se county ya Uasin Gishu somurobele yobere kogosiorwa bene se omochi Eldoret ngomajonga abarai amba chikoikirana se Chinsa kati yabo omurai wense Dr. William Ruto osanga nabamenye korwa senseme yo nigo babere bakwerera obuyabu kwira omurobele yo se county yo asibane kebuna nigo orachigo kinia oboncherelia na baigo uchumi se Chinsa.
Mimi kama mkazi wa Uasin Gishu mimi nataka kusema najivunia kwa mambo ya devolution kwa sababu imeleta mabadiliko katika sekta ya afya kwa sababu katika kaunti ya Uasin Gishu tuko na level 4 hospitals 2-3 zinaendelea zikijengwa. Pia mimi nataka kusema katika kaunti hii ya Uasin Gishu tumeweza kuajiri walimu wa chekechea zaidi ya 1000 ambao wako sasa kwa permanent and pensionable, ambayo haingewezekana kama devolution haingekuwa. Mambo ya mabarabara katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu tunaona zinaendelea zikijengwa, na kabla devolution ije mabarabara ilikuwa ni shida chukuzi kwa mambo ya mabarabara katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu tunaona zinaendelea zikijengwa na sisi tunataka kusema kama wakaji wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu tunakaribisha wageni wote katika kaunti hii ya Uasin Gishu. Tuko tayari kuwakaribisha kwa njia ya amani, tuko tayari kuwakaribisha kwa sababu devolution as a success story to be told by many residents of Uasin Gishu County. Mimi nataka kusema devolution conference kufanyika Uasin Gishu imeleta manufaa kubwa, kwa sababu hata mahoteli ambazo ziko katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu tayari ziko booked zote. Magari yetu yako tayari kufanya transportation. Gavana wetu wa Uasin Gishu nataka kushukuru kwa sababu amefanya kuhakikisha usafi na mambo ya hali ya security kwa wageni wetu imeweza kutekelezwa. So kuna biashara mingi, kuna manufaa mingi sana ambayo yatapatikana katika kaunti yetu ya Uasin Gishu.
Magega yebikorwa by'obusali naboigo oboibi kwenekigwa ase bunge ya bonchari ase gikabono nigaba bwatani abesokire bene naboigo gotwara egikaro litkolia rero ase gokwanera chinjira chigotinya oburendi ase chinsemecho kati y'abarayi bari bagoikirana ase chinsemecho ngamono mu county commissioner naboigo mu bunge naba MCA barachigokwanera chinjira chinyacho kwenekia obokoleri obya anene mono gotingia oburendi asoko ene kibuna nonyane nsemo yo boncherire ngokora bare boikirano.
We divide them into smaller areas so that the services can be close to our age. Like here in Bonchari, Omorera have done well. But in other areas, locations like Ibere and the ward like Diana, I think it's the biggest ward in Kenya. So we are appealing to our member of parliament, please. 10 years is over. Let us try to divide this area. At least we come up with Ibere ward or the former Mugera ward. And the Ibere location, I think we have only 3 sub-locations. We also appeal, we subdivide that further. We also appeal to our leaders, like the member of parliament, our member of parliament. We used to have the NHIF for the old, which was implemented by our late Honorable. Although it worked very well and they helped these old people. Please revive that. Lastly, I am recommending for the constituency library. Our youth are idle. Let us come, maybe we put our constituency library so that we make these people busy here at Suneda. I think with those few marks, let others implement. We had our memorandum, but I request you, madam, we will present it to ODA, you present it to your office, and further forward to our county commission.
Ekomiti obochenu ime county ya Siaya ni gobachakiri omorobiri gwokwenekia obochenu bwekerengo keigoromono ligotanga bamenyi bensemeyo kurwa konyora amaroire okwana ni gobabuli serikali ye county yo kweneke bnango abale emirimo bali babere bagwesokia anamono gosira bamenyi bensemeyo aso kwenekia obochenu.
We are happy we have graduated our 8 students whom have been trained by the nurses to come and do those basic. They're not going to do the nursing services or nursing agenda. They're going to do the basic. And the basics that they're going to do is to make sure that the ward is clean the ward, the beddings are cleaned, the patients are cleaned, and the food, and then they'll be supporting patients in transportation from one department to another department. Our graduates will take care of patients from hospital at home.
After capacity building them through the training that has been stated, from what you heard, they can go to the home, they can go to the aged people's homes, and they can go to refugee camps. They can also work in all our facilities. So they have a very multiple.
County ya Kajiado wetera komiti yo kulinda ebito etanaine nigo bachakire omuroberi asoko ene kebnango bekabale amachiko ayo akulinda obonchereria bw'omuchanga ase Chinsa aya magega yabamenye benseme yo kwemurungani kubwatkana no bonchereria obo asiba ene kiribnanigo bwabere bogosalia ebito etanaine.
It's good when our people draw profit in an environmentally just way, so that we are able to see that whatever we are doing is going to be sensitive about climate action, that we do not just exploit our rivers, we do not just exploit the potential of our youth. We want to say, let us draw profits, but let us conserve the environment.
And we are impressed that at least our people are concerned about the near future of this county, and they are interested in seeing ways in which they can sort problems that are facing us with the climate change, that are coming with the climate change.
We are going to improve that bill and incorporate what is in this petition right now, because we want to have a very, very informed bill, a very informed law on sand harvesting within Kajiado County.
The sector has stayed for long without being regulated, and we look forward to regulate the sector, especially in terms of how sand activities are being run. This bill was once introduced in the Assembly in 2020, but never went through because of a few things.
Mwenche murigereria kurwa soroboti urunio na ikiro moelio wa mangana maya asebire biga kulinde toska tonyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange no nyara senchera iyo bwenye nabakwenda gutubwatia Chinsa chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga sensemo ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabakotonya wetera www.ndizitv.net Maigachi kamera soko ene kibna ebicha na boigo eliogira gukira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail tobeto kubwata nere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibiarkelia na ncheria ne Fridah Kerubo twara obuligerelia borubia.